Welcome to the IMRAN Academy. I am discussing with you General Mathematics of 10th class, Unit 5, Quadratic Equations, and the exercise is 5.3, word problem. The questions that we have so far discussed are these questions. Up to question number 5. This is the statement of the question. The perimeter and area of a rectangle are 22 centimeter and 30 centimeter square respectively. Find the length and breadth of the rectangle. So here is the question. Let's suppose this is the rectangle that we have. Width is represented by W and length is represented by L. So formula of perimeter will be P equals, adding all these we get perimeter, L plus W plus L plus W. So we have 2 W's and 2 L's. 2W plus 2L is equal to the perimeter of the rectangle. And for area we have A equals L multiplied by W. Putting the values, perimeter is 22, taking 2 as common factor and dividing by 2. So W plus L is equal to 11. And similarly area is multiplying these two factors. Area is given as 30 and I've divided by W on both sides, so I got L equals 30 over W. I'll put this value of L in this equation. So here W plus L is equal to 11 and L is 30 over W. So putting the value of L here and taking the LCM, W multiplied by W becomes W square plus 30 over W. This W goes there and it becomes 11W. So taking all the terms on one side, this WL becomes minus WL, cancels out from here and goes to the left hand side. W square minus 11W plus 30 equals 0. So we can make factors of this. 30, 6 5s are 30, minus 6W and minus 5. Taking W as a common factor from these two terms, W minus 6, and taking minus 5 as a common factor from these two terms, we get W minus 6. W minus 6 and W minus 5, and W equals 6 and W equals 5. With these values, I can calculate L. So 30 divided by 6, L is 5. 30 divided by 5, L is 6. So length and width are 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter each. So this is the question for you. Let's solve the next question. You can see the statement of the question from your book. I'll just read it for you. Question number 6. Now if you say, I can write the question for you as well. Question number 6 is, the product of two consecutive positive numbers is 156. The product of two consecutive positive numbers is 156. Find the numbers. So this is the question. Let's solve this one. Let the first number equals x. Next number, the other number, is consecutive, so it should be x plus 1. According to the given condition, the product of these two numbers is equal to 156. Now multiplying the numbers and simplifying. You have to factor this (156) So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 and 13, these are the two numbers which one added or subtracted gives 1, and when multiplied gives 156. So x squared plus 13x minus 12x minus 156 is equal to 0. X is equal to x plus 13 minus 12, x plus 13, x plus 13, x minus 12. X plus 13 is equal to 0, x minus 12 is equal to 0, x equals minus 13, x is equal to 12. So the numbers are positive, so this term is not applicable, so we can write it as NA, not applicable. So our number is 12. The first number equals 12, equals x, which is equals to 12. Second number is x plus 1, which is 12 plus 1, so it is 13. The second number is 13. So the numbers are, the numbers are 12, 13. This is the answer to the problem. Let's move to the next question. Find two consecutive positive odd numbers given that the difference between their reciprocals is 2 by 63. Let's solve this one as well. I am just telling you the statement and not writing the whole question, as question number 7. Here we have to find the two consecutive odd numbers. Let first number is equal to 2x. Is equal to x. First number is equal to, suppose first number is equal to x. So next number, since the numbers are consecutive, other number should be x plus 2. So according to given condition, is the difference between their reciprocals is 2 by 63. Difference between their reciprocals. Reciprocals mean write them 1 over the number, and this is 2 over 63. So taking the LCM, cross multiplying, this number goes and multiplies with 1, and this number goes there and multiplies with 1. So it becomes x plus 2 minus x over x square plus 2x over 2 over 63. This x cancels out with this one, and 2 over x square plus 2x is equal to 2 over 63. So cross multiplying, 63 goes there, and let take the 2 here as well, and this number goes there. This 2 also cancels out. So what is left is x square plus 2x is equal to 63, or okay. So the factors of this is 9 sevens are 63. So when you subtract these two numbers, you get 2. So these are the factors here. X plus 9 is equal to 0, or x minus 7 is equal to 0. So here you can write x is equal to minus 9, x is equal to 7. So these numbers are also positive, so x can be 7 and not minus 9. So this number is not applicable, so it is NA. So this is the answer for our question. So first number is 7 here. First number is equal to x, which is 7. Second number is x plus 2. It is 7 plus 2, which is equal to 9. So the numbers are So the numbers are 7 and 9 consecutive numbers. So this is the answer to the problem. Now let's solve the last one, which is question number 8. The sum of two positive numbers is 12 and the sum of whose squares is 80. Find the numbers. Let the numbers are first number. Suppose first number is equal to x. First number is equal to x, and according to given condition the sum of two positive numbers is 12. So if I subtract this x from 12, I'll get the second number, because the sum of these two numbers is 12. So one condition is this, and the sum of whose squares is 80. Second condition is take the square of these numbers like this and add them, and the answer is 80. That is given. Now solve this one. This square can be opened as first term square plus second term squared minus 2 times the first term and the second term. Okay. If x is 12, first number x is 12, the second number, first number is equal to x, which is 12. So second number is 12 minus x, which is 12 minus 4, which is 8. This is the second number. And if the first number is x is 8, second number 12 minus x, which is 12 minus 8, which is equal to 4. So the numbers basically are 4 and 12, 4 and 8. So the numbers are 4 and 8. So the numbers are 4, 8. And with this we come to the end of this exercise. Inshallah, in the next lecture I'm gonna start new chapter, which is matrices and determinants, unit 6. And in that chapter we gonna study first of all the introduction of matrices, types of matrices, addition and subtraction of matrices, multiplication of matrices, multiplicative inverse of a matrix, solution of simultaneous linear equations. So these are the topics of the next chapter. Thanks for watching. Till the next lecture, it's goodbye.